Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or the Galaxy S25 line as a whole, and that is the fact that we are still missing on the unlocked devices the update for the February security patch. My $1,200 plus phone is still on a security patch from December, and we are a week away from March. Entirely unacceptable. The Galaxy S24, they're struggling to get OneUI out on that. They're struggling with the beta. They just had to release a hotfix beta today, one day after they released the beta 4 update to fix a visual virtual machine issue for developers. So I really like this phone. I really like the hardware. I like OneUI 7 as a whole, but in terms of the updates, the reliability of update timing, security fixes, security patches, stuff like that, it is just not happening. We still have, my Galaxy S25, my regular one. As you can see here, these are both unlocked US devices. Again, still on the December 1st security patch. They have not yet gotten a day one update. The phone's been out for 2 weeks now. Still no day one update. There is an update that exists. The update is ready. It's rolling out on carriers, T-Mobile, Verizon. All those carriers are rolling out this update, but Samsung has yet to roll out the unlocked update. Almost a week after that has started to hit carrier locked devices. And I just think that's completely unacceptable. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comments, but if you bought a $1,200 plus phone, you would expect it to be running, when it came out in February, at least on the January security patch. But Samsung is just so behind on OneUI 7 development. With this phone, with the older devices, they're much farther behind, that they just can't get anything out on time. And I don't know how this is going to go in the future. How far behind are they going to get? When Android 16 comes out, how far behind are we going to get with that? But let me know what you guys think. What do you think about your Galaxy S25 Ultra or your Galaxy S25 being on the December patch still? Google Play updates are behind. It's just a mess of software at this point with this release. This should have been ready to go once the S25 came out for everybody, but it hasn't. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.